Oh, little guineas. Oh. Maybe.
Oh, look, he's eating. He's not already. I want to cut it in half so I've got more. So nibble. There you go.
What about the other one? You've had the other one.
You can have half of an eggplant. Would you like a radish? You can have a radish. You can have a little carrot.
So polite. Oh, hello.
Scott's bumpy chips. Parkour, that one. Right, that can't be comfy. Are they baby chicks?
Hello. Hello.
Oh, that was like young as it. Did they go into there when they're fully grown then? I just know. You're a baby one. Hello, baby. Hello, okay. Oh, your fur feels really good. I wish I'd like.
We're all inside. No goats on Goat Mountain. Huh. Oh, they were building that last time we came, weren't they? Where are they? Oh, we haven't seen this yet. Yeah, because I remember they were building it. Oh, what a shame. Oh, hello.
Oh!
Oh, hello. Hello. Oh, they're coming from everywhere. Oh, I feel like you have to feed them now. I feel like you have to give them some. They've come out in the rain.
What are you doing, you? Right, you've had some. You can have some. It's your good little egg. Don't nibble my fingers. Right, you've already had some. Greedy. Right, the effort's there, so you can.
Oh, babe!
Oh, the babies.
Oh, the babies have come out. Can I I have some and I'll feed the other baby.
Shall I distract him? You look after the baby?
Yeah, I'll look after the
Come on.
baby. If I get down to your level. No, you greedies. I'm trying to feed the babies. Yeah, there we go. Babies. Babies are being fed. All is well. All is well. Hello, baby. Hello. 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 My hands all wet now. I haven't got anything. Oh, it licked me anyway.
Come there, little baby. Oh, so cute. Good boy. You fatty. There. Stop. The only problem is now they're going to follow us around.
Well, they can follow us. You've all had some.
Where's the little baby gone? Oh.
That one knows. That one knows. That one's like, yeah, that's it,
Oh, that
guys.
one's had enough. Oh, baby, we're all just walking off.
Aww. Oh, into the shelter. We're being followed. No, you've had enough. Oh, there's one. Probably gonna run away. Yep. I don't think they're very friendly. Right, so last time HDL got bit by a pig. So we're not going to repeat that incident. It turns out you're not meant to pet pigs. But they're in there anyway, so we're not going to see them. Got some sheep. Cows are over there. Oh, that worked.
You know, and he's like,
Come on. Hello. Hello. Why are you coming to me?
See your little leggies.
Oh, they all want a piece of that now. They're like, you go test the waters and then we'll follow. Yeah. Hey, goat. The goats are back. The goats are back.
Behind us?
Yeah, they're behind us.
Oh my god, they are. Oh, hello. Right, you can have some.
Oh, now you want to come over. Now you're coming over. Hello. Nom 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 nom. Hello, baby.
Oh, your first was horrible.
I feel like you need to feed that one. Over there. That one there.
Oh, come on then, little shmoo.
That one's pining for you.
Come on then, little shmoo. Come on then, little shmoo.
I haven't got any.
Good.
They're literally, these guys will not give up. No, you've had some. Is that on its own?
Yeah.
You on your own?
A pygmy goat on-
Surely not.
What
No,
have you done to be on your own?
they're all in there probably.
What have you done?
Ah, the goats are the worst for it.
Yes, he's a sheep.
Oh, these ones are goats, aren't they?
Cameroon sheep.
They look like goats.
Hello, I'll give you got one.
Oh. The more you know.
Right, that's it, no goats.
Sheep, actually. Sheep.
That's it.
Oh, are they deers up there? There's something up at the top.
Where are they?
All the way up there, you see that? At the top of the hill, is that the deer?
Yeah, should we go sit?
I think the cows are usually here. Because this is where we came to feed the cows last year, right? Yeah. So this is where the cows usually are, and then this deer. It's just too wet. Like nothing's. They're all hiding. There's some here. Deer.
Fallow deer, red deer. They can't get in there, can they? And then we've got piggies.
Yeah, you can't get near them. I guess they probably like
Hello.
don't like people near them.
They look cool.
They look on edge. Why are they all at the top of the? Oh, hello.
It senses of harm.
Yeah? Oh, we got a pig. Yeah, you can't get bit because you know when it. Oh, look at the snoozing one. Mmm. Tasty. Got a donkey over there. Oh, because they're there. Why are they got ties around the neck? Hello. Why have they got
no,
scarves?
I thought they were scarves.
What are they?
I don't know. Hello,
Maybe if you
darling.
get the food out, they'll come
I've got
over.
no food for you, but I'll give you a
got some in
spoon.
here.
No.
Yeah, look at it so we can see what they're wearing now. What are they?
Whole gang's out. Right, stop.
Oh, what are you wearing?
A little soft dragon.
What are you wearing?
Sorry, I didn't mean to bring the whole gang out.
Why you all got scarves? Why have you got scarves?
I love you.
Oh,
Where's the big show? Turkeys.
oh yeah. What's here? Oh, ducks. We've got some ducks. Some duckies. Oh, there's some over there. Are they geese? Got some turkeys. Look at you in all your glory. What are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
I'm making the turkey noise.
Right. This one's not impressed.
Okay.
Hello. Oh. Oh. Okay. They can come and go as they please. We've got something down here. Got some more chickens. They need some fluffy chickens, although I guess they can't get wet, can they? Oh, you are leggy. You are leggy.
Spanish chicken.
Spanish.
Get past that. You say hello, we'll put my finger. Okay.
You will get packed and you will live to regret it.
Come on, Spanish chicken, you put my finger. Come on. Don't touch it.
Oh, what we got over here? See bright chicken. Hello. I don't think this was here last time. What's in there? Hello.
Don't come out. Stay inside.
They like you.
Wow.
Aww.
La, la, la. All around the world. Oh, look at your feathers.
Oh, they're really pretty.
You're beautiful. Hello.
Hello.
Beautiful. Hello.
Ah.
Where's your leg?
It's like they've been like, I don't know.
Coloured.
Yeah, they're
It's like pen. Hello.
yeah, like ink.
Oh, I know chickens like grass. And I bet
They
you
do.
guys love... Oh! Remember, Miss Chick loved grass. Grass? What about you?
Maybe not. It's like squaring up to you. Oh, what's this leg doing?
What's that like doing?
I think it's squaring up to you. You little baby.
Right, why have you just come over to us and just like...
It's squaring up to you. Oh. Hello, why are they coming to see us?
You guys aggressive?
They're the Scots donkeys. but these are the big ones. That was from last
That's
week.
aggressive. If I get you a bit of grass, want me grass? Miss Chicken loves grass.
Yeah, but she was just like a, what was she? Ginger Ranger. Oh,
You didn't peck me, I got scared.
oh, don't be scared. Is it pecking you or the grass?
It pecked me, but I mean with the grass. Right. I'm scared.
Aww.
Yeah, dear.
I want to see fluffy chickens. I don't think we've got any.
Yeah, the grass. That was like a courtesy, it was like fine.
Do the other ones go back inside?
I'll put it in this one.
How are you fitting your hand in there? You like that? Susan. Side-eye. I'd love to do the birds of prey experience. Hello. This is a red kite. Loud. Oh, barn owl's the loudest one.
Oh, what's up? Is it getting wet? It's like, I know.
Let's try and look at this one.
Right. So are you okay with me sprinkling a couple of these around you?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so sprinkle a couple onto here and a couple over here so they will jump around. Can I put some on your legs?
Yeah, go for it.
There we go, 1, 2, 3, 4. Use it here as a ladder. I want you to get out of the way.
Will they dive in there?
They'll, yeah, so if I hold it up there, they're going to try and get underneath it. So it makes them have to work a little bit.
Oh wow.
And if I let go, they'll go straight underneath and get straight into it. So it just makes them have to work a little bit and dig. They're just looking at, why isn't it a couple over here? Round raid. How many meerkats can you fit in a box?
This one.
There's only 3 inside it. Oh, sorry. I got all the soil in your shoe. That's 4 meerkats, 5 meerkats in the box.
Oh, there's one over there as well. Are these like super poisonous though?
No, I think he said that they're not.
Blue poison dart frog.
Oh.
Yeah. One of those chilling. 30 degrees.
Nice and warm in here.
Can you do it?
Oh, is it like
That's
skies?
blended in somewhere. Watch it just like not even being there, we're just trying to figure it. Oh, it's up there.
Wait. Oh,
It's coming down. It's like, yo, what's up?
it's really colourful.
Some people full body art.
That's how I'm trying to be.
Oh, there's one in there as well. Oh, I didn't see that. Looks like custard. big bowl of custard.
Love some custard. I don't think they had crocodiles before, did they?
Wow. Oh, it's a big boy, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, that one's up there. Boa constrictor.
You see it? You see his head?
No?
It's watching you.
Where?
You can see his head.
Huh? What is? Oh! That was very leggy. Oh, he's popping. Where's the other one's gone?
One there,
Watching you. What's this?
black tree monitor.
Oh, it's up there.
Yeah, look at the mist
It
colour.
looks like that thing out of Monsters Inc. Oh?
Hell yeah, brother. No. Let's go and say hello. Friendly. Oh, dude, they're coming out to say hello to you. I feel like this is rare.
That's me.
Wasn't it?
Wasn't this really dark before and you couldn't see it?
Yeah. A big booth on the floor. Oh, they all could see you. Say that.
Where are you going to go now? Hmm? Where are you going to go?
But they have to be so careful, like, one's not escaped.
I'm my little escape artist, aren't I?
You gonna climb up?
Hello? Can't focus on it. Hello. Chinchillas. Have you had a good day out at the farm?
Yeah, very good.
Bit wet.
Bit wet. To be fair, if you don't mind the wet, it's best to come on a wet day because it's empty.
Yeah.
There's no queues for anything. All the staff are super friendly, easy to park, easy to find. Make sure you come and feed the goats, but not the wallabies. The goats can never get enough. Never.
True. And the meerkats, to be fair.
And the meerkats.
Great experience, 10 out of 10. Right. See you later.